Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to ONEPLUS Nord CE free Lite. First of all, just open Play Store on both, misclick, and download this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on OnePlus, scroll down just a bit and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top, and in them pick files that you wish to transfer. You can select multiple ones at once by tapping on those dots at the top left corners. If you don't want to do that, you can also just click on the chosen ones. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Now click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect using this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on OnePlus. Allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key by selecting Input Key section, typing all of those numbers in correct order, and hitting Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!